Hey everybody, and welcome back to Queenie's World. Today guys, we're going to one of my favorite restaurants. It's Moe's down in the heart of Baltimore. I'm about to meet up with my daughter and my grandkids, so see you guys in the restaurant. Oh, I love your jacket.
I love your clothes.
Hi Book, y'all look cute. Oh, let me see y'all. Look at my babies. Oh, look at you. You look so cute. Oh, I love y'all boots. Oh, look at that Mexican. Hello. Oh, you look like a doll. Hi, y'all. Met up with my babies. Look at my babies. I see y'all in the inside.
Hey y'all, it's Queenie's World.
I love them, y'all.
So today we got a Mother Day.
First of all, I didn't even introduce them on the last video. You know, 5 of them got deleted. And that was all the introduction. So let's introduce them again. This is my oldest grandbaby. That is my youngest grandbaby.
Paisley.
Her son. And that's my Mexican.
It's not son, it's a daughter. That's her daughter. That's her Mexican daughter. That's her
Yeah, every day that's you and me. All day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on. Cause I'm out here with my boys, going crazy in this bitch. Overseas, getting Benz, no Mercedes in this bitch. We made the album 9 months. Had a baby in this bitch. I'm with your babe on the run, like I'm Jay-Z in this bitch. I don't smoke a lot, but I get green. But ball out, no SBs. I caught you out, you got served with that beat stop, no step team. I came through and that's real shit. No, Novocaine, but I feel this. Feel the kid when I feel banks. I still be spitting that Will Smith. I shut it down, we do that. Hell yeah, we knew that. That girl gave me them crazy eyes. Orange is that new black. Black cold out, so I think about it. Trust me out, so I drink about it. They talk a lot, but it's all good, so it's too real. Don't think about it.
She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face. She can see through my soul. I said, don't think about it. I said, don't think about it. She took me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face. She can see through my soul. I said, don't think about it. I said, don't think about it.
Came up as a church boy with my dukes on weekends. Waking up at like 6, man, you don't get paid if you sleep in. Man, you don't know where I come from. You don't know what I've been through. Realize I don't say shit about all the bread that I sent you. You getting mad, I'm sitting back, I'm fucked up, I'm getting trash. Gotta go watch 2 gold chains and I go real like Trinidad. Trick, I'm the man. Act like you know me. Popping off like a semi. Man, I rap like it's loaded. I mean my crew hot, your crew not. We too sick, no flu shot. On this side, it's all big. Man, I ain't dissing on Tupac. Just East Coast, all East Coast. These young bloods don't know better. Most of y'all got no chill. They'll get it poppin' in snow weather. Some kids just need love. They'll put in work for like no cheddar. Looking up to them dope boys. They got bands like Coachella. Yeah, just remember, I might have your girl for dinner. I'm the man year round, January to December.
She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face. She can see through my soul. I said, don't think about it. I said, don't think about it. She took me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face. She can see through my soul. I said, don't think about it. I said, don't think about it. She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face. She can see through my soul. I said, don't think about it. I said, don't think about it. She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face. She can see through my soul. I said, don't think about it. I said, don't think about it.
Your reflection in my wine glass. That's when I look away. Can't stand and think about losing your fine ass. How the fuck I let you slip away? Life for the party, but I'm dead inside. Kill my vibes, it was genocide. Hard to act like I've been alive. I'm trying to find where I identify. 1 time for the girl that got away. 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray. 3 times for the power that I pray to. Are you up there? Can you hear me? I know I fucked up. it's clear, see. I'm 22, but I don't act like it clearly. And all this shit is a mirage. I'm just rapping for a cause. The life, the fame, the life's the game. We break the laws, don't like to change. Wanna win you back, but I hate to lose. I know that you're the one, but it's hard to
Hey y'all, food's all coming out. So I got fries, shrimp, clams. My daughter got salad. My grandbaby got big shrimp, big spaghetti. And we about to get it in.
Too much whiskey in my red cup. Remember first day you wouldn't give it up. We had only scratched the surface, but I knew that you were worth it. Yeah. So I was patient. I bragged to my niggas, Joe Namath. I'm still with the niggas that I came with. But everything changed once the fame hit. Make it up, take you down, have a shot, I bought a round, play my songs, you like the sound. It's going down, it's going down. Let's drink coffee, watch passerbys, and prove to you I'm not the average guy. It's just my flaws that they magnify, and when it's real, you don't have to try. I wish there was another way. Tomorrow is another day. Drugs take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away. I wish there was another way. Tomorrow is another day. Drugs take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away.
See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly, I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. My head has been spinning, I might need a minute. I've been dying to kick it, so just come with if you with it. And this game that we're playing, you want me but won't say it. If I told you I'm leaving, you would be so devastated. Oh, and I don't want no bullshit excuse, like you ain't got no time for me, as if that shit was true. Just tell me how it is, how you want it. If you're down, wanna summit, I got plans and you're one of them. Not trying to pretend. See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly, I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah.
Hold up, did you really think I'm bad it? Say she wanna leave, but it's way too crowded. But I'll vibe with you, I'm playing games, I ain't trying to lose. And if I take you back, I'ma kiss your neck. I could be your now, I could be your next. I could be the one to relieve your stress. When we talk about sex, she unzip that dress. Bless, maybe one day I could take it. Give it to me, cause I'm tired of waiting. I'm like the latest, #1 play on your playlist. Don't trip if these other girls play it. And I don't like to fight, you're the type that I'd like to wife. Guy feeling like life is nice, at the movies eating Mike and Ike's. And if the price is right, then I guess I'm bout it.
See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck
if you're involved, cause I'm bout it, if you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it, if you bout it, yeah. Champagne for breakfast, first things first, never put you second, girl. Don't be stressing, I forgot to mention I'm bad about it, don't be offended. I fucks with you cause you're down to earth. Got an ounce of perp if you're down to burn. You got a plan and you're still in school, or you got a man, but that shit is cool, right? And if you like, you can stay for the night. Don't stay for the love, don't stay for the life. Know my name, then say it to me twice. Let me hear that shit, let me see that shit. You could be the one if you wanted to, or you got games, you could keep that shit. Girl, come and let me know what you wanna do. Be who you wanna be. I will not blame you. Do what you wanna do. Don't wanna play you. If you would come with me, then I would take you anywhere you want to go. Yeah. Even if you're looking for the one, and I couldn't be him, you'd be sure to see in that I won't just go and take home anyone. I'm about you, girl. See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it, if you bout it. Don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it, if you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it, if you bout it, yeah.
Niggas must have forgot their alphabet. Let me explain. Here it goes. A is for ambition. Be what I wanna be. See past the situation that's in front of me. Doubt is an enemy. Zep, we say fuck them. The irony is they inspire me to love them. G is past go when ignite the cash flow. When H is put your heart in whatever's your last hope. I is fire, but two light the fire. So we be the streets' #1 supplier. And J is for them Jordans for my niggas when I make it. Give me 2 of those strange no-name kicks. Earth, wind, and fire type. Elemental beast that resembles me, and it accounts for LMNOP. You the track up like, oh, you impressed, get your bread, kid, but never let it go to your head. That's S for success, to be the best. T is teach back what you learn, that's next. Cause you got the power, V for voluntary action. W is right out to life with a passion. X is expect to fail, why cease to dream? Even when you ain't catching them Z's, and that's the alphabet.
For so long, been surviving for so long. I know that good days will come. I've been trying for so long, been surviving for so long. I know that good days will come, they will come.
Yo, think they starting to follow me. So A is to attempt to be the change you wanna see, and D is to be different. But tell us what you mean. Like, are you one of them good guys, or you one of us fiends? Either way, you gotta eat. Elevate your mind, right? Cause F is for the fine life, and that's how you define life. But I say G is get back to your home, and H is help the people that done help to along. Oh yeah, fuck it, we go back to F, cause that's for freedom. G is keep your good thoughts, cause buddy, you gon' need them. And H is if your hood stars, buddy, you gon' feed them. Cause it's bad enough when niggas get the check and get to leaving. J is for them jump offs, we wanted as kids. Looking through the glass, seeing the life we wanna live in. M is more money, more problems, and N-O is no P's, and that's pessimistic profits. Q, quit thinking, and R, you still with me, and S is stress less than T, it's to infinity. U is that it's all about you, and that's why a nigga fucked around and left out I. VW is very wise, and X is this exam, but why lie? You got zip if you ain't got fam, and that's the alphabet.
For so long, been surviving for so long. I know that good days will come. I've been trying for so long, been surviving for so long. I know that good days will come, they will come. Trying for so long, been surviving for so long, they will come.
You did it to me.
Oh.
So
She's doing on the low. What's she doing? Who that? Who that? Paisley on the low. So that's why I'm gonna make an episode called Paisley on the Low.
How about me?
Cause she crazy. Oh, you gotta get your own LS started, y'all. Come on, y'all. Put it in the comments below. Start your own YouTube channel. Start your own YouTube channel. Start your own YouTube channel. Put it in the link below, guys. In the link below. Oh, she quiet now. Yeah. Put your bra up. Put your bra up, man. Look, sir. Look, sir. Put your stuff up, sir.
It's not a
I'm supposed to be like this, like the thing. I know. She's still rolling stuff up, y'all. She ready to go. Your mother is still eating.
You want some little squirrel?
Yes.
No squirrel wide.
Look at her. Look at her.
Man, what you need help
She wouldn't eat her own food, talking about chopping stuff down. Oh, people ain't gonna turn out no crab cake.
I didn't take it the whole lot.
Dang! No, it didn't hit the floor. It hit the floor. Oh my God, yo, the crab. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Move, Peyton, move. Oh, let me see it.
No. Well, at least, I still ate it.
I'm be hurt.
That's 15 ounces of crazy.
You ain't never lied.
That was not good.
All right, come on, y'all. All right, y'all. We made it to Marshall's. So let's see what they got. Yeah, y'all here to get some stuff. Ooh, look at these sandals for the summertime for the kids. That's my whole baby outfit. Don't you look cute? Huh, found her. Look at her. I should get her, but I'm trying to save money. But you can't tell me that's not tight. Oh, I know. Something's telling me get her. If I see her one more time, guys, I'm going to get her.
No, Mommy.
Look at it. Oh, what? Oh, my goodness. Great. Look at that. Tell me this is you all day long. Oh, makeup containers. I don't know. I didn't look at the price. Even these. Yo, I love them. Oh, I love that pink one, right? Really getting on y'all. Pink's her favorite color. I believe they're over in the other corner, young lady. Yeah, I believe I seen them that away. Well, let's give it a go. Oh, they got some nice phone cases. Hey y'all, they got some good stuff in here, but nothing I'm looking for. Nothing I'm looking for. Juicy Couture. Oh. I don't even show you the inside of this joint. But that's cool. I'm gonna go to the perfumery and get me some stuff. But baby, no, that ain't fake. How is it? And where y'all get it from? Starbucks. Y'all, this little thing right here. What is this thing called again, Bray? A pink refresher? Pink what? Oh, a pink drink, y'all. This, it is called a pink drink. Y'all, I done got turned out. On our way home, you guys. I want to say bye to my babies. And we're going home.